knew for certain they hand out slips to mark the great occasion. Our ribs and lips don't get the invitation. We worked and worked our lives away, and Madame said we'd know why one day. We did it out of love, I'd say, but I'm using little words today. Us all somewhere on an ocean. The waterfall cannot contain its motion. It blows balloons and floats out of its coil. And in our gin we still tasted boil. I got good marks and I had some friends, but I quit myself and I'd do it again. All the larks, all in the end, will all have to be weighed with them when, okay, sea foam, I'll leave another day. If I have been too close to confusion, I'm sorry, I am, for all of the illusions. We'd blow balloons and float out of the station. It's written on our hats we can't afford this year's vacation. And